Okay, mutung रावला थंय.
My friend's reaction when I tell them to shoot. Hello wanderers, welcome back to our channel. This is Sahil Naik and today we have for you the next part of our last video. So after a delicious breakfast at Planet Hollywood, we headed further south to one of the Goa's best kept secret places. From here, you have to trek for around 10-15 minutes to get to the Betul Lighthouse. This is one of the best spots in Goa to witness sunset from a hill, but unfortunately we couldn't wait here till sunset. After this, we headed to one of the most serene and peaceful beaches in Goa, that is the Betul beach. The best thing I liked about this beach is that it's less crowded even during the peak tourist season. By the beach, one can find many fishing boats and ocean trawlers, as Betul is a fishing village. The seafood at Betul is quite amazing, with some of Goa's finest and largest mussels being found here.
I will stay here forever if you remain still. Then let's be the best together.
One can also witness the majestic Betul fort at this location, which is said to be built by an associate of Shivaji Maharaj. That's all we have for you in our today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe this video for more such amazing vlogs. Till then, keep wandering.